Hi, my name is Liz Roberts. I'm a business financing specialist. I specialize in high-risk businesses such as startup businesses and business owners with credit problems. I wanted to start to reach out via Facebook Lives and Instagram Live, but something keeps happening every time I do one of those and they never upload. So I thought I would just go ahead and make a video. One of the biggest questions we get asked all the time is where do you get financing and where do you start? I believe that even though it's not as popular as it once was, if you want to look into getting business financing, you should start off with having a business plan or at least having an executive summary. Executive summary is a shortened version of your business plan, but it tells the lender a lot about you and your business. When I'm talking with a startup and they're telling me what they need the financing for, sometimes it's not clear. Maybe it's an industry that is not super popular and it's not something that just crosses your desk monthly. Might be something that's never crossed my desk before, and I've been doing this 20 years. So I always encourage people to take the time to write out a business plan. And it's not just for financing. I've been a part of a lot of big masterminds, and one of the things that a lot of these gurus always talk about is their business plans and how they revisit those business plans quarterly, sometimes even monthly. They're like living documents, and they can help you to not only get financing in the beginning of your business, but to keep your business on track. So when people ask me, where do you get started? I say, start with a business plan. Anyway, I hope that helps. We also have an article on how to write a business plan and what's included. It's on the website, and I will include a link to it below. Have a great day. Take care.